All right, let's walk through this calmly and cleanly, like you're sitting with a friend who's done this 100 times and just wants it to work. Today, we're setting up over-provisioning on a Samsung 980 solid-state drive using Samsung Magician. This is one of those quiet tweaks that doesn't look exciting on screen, but it seriously helps long-term performance and drive health. Think of it like giving your SSD some breathing room so it doesn't panic when things get busy. First, make sure Samsung Magician is installed and updated. Once it's open, give it a second to scan your system. You'll see your Samsung 980 listed right there. Click on that drive so Magician knows which brain we're operating on today. Now look toward the left side and find the over-provisioning section. Samsung keeps this pretty straightforward. When you open it, Magician will usually tell you whether over-provisioning is already enabled or not. On most fresh installs, it's off by default, which means the drive is using every last byte of space and leaving nothing in reserve. When you hit the Enable or Configure option, Magician will suggest a recommended percentage. Usually this is around 10%, and honestly, that's a solid choice for most people. You don't need to overthink this unless you have a very specific workload. That reserved space is invisible to your operating system, but the SSD controller uses it to manage wear leveling, garbage collection, and sustained performance. Before you apply the change, there's one important thing to understand. Magician may need unallocated space to create that over-provisioned area. If your drive is fully partitioned, Magician will offer to shrink the main partition automatically. Let it do its thing. This part looks scary, but it's designed to be safe. Still, having a backup is just good life advice, not paranoia. Once you confirm, Magician will process the change. This usually takes a few seconds, sometimes a reboot, depending on your system. After it's done, head back to the over-provisioning screen and check the status. You should now see it marked as enabled with the reserved space clearly shown. That's it. No performance drop you'll notice day to day. No apps breaking, no drama. What you've done is give your SSD room to stay fast as it fills up and ages. Writes stay smoother, sustained speeds hold up better, and the drive doesn't have to work as hard behind the scenes. If you're using your Samsung 980 for an operating system, video editing, heavy downloads, or just years of daily use, this is one of those set-it-once tweaks that quietly pays you back over time. In a world full of flashy upgrades, over-provisioning is boring in the best possible way. You set it, you forget it, and your SSD just behaves better for longer. That's the kind of optimization I like.